Imagine receiving a regular monthly payment straight into your bank account from YouTube. And imagine if you can enjoy those monthly paydays, spending just about 30 minutes a week doing something which is great fun. Now, too good to be true? Well, I would agree with you until it happened to me. You see, I actually do receive an average of $10,000 a month paid directly into my bank account as regular as clockwork by YouTube. And here's the best bit. I don't have to mess around shooting videos. Instead, YouTube allows me to plunder their massive stocks of certain types of video and use any of the footage I like to make new videos. And that's child's play to do because YouTube has an amazing video editor right there on their site, complete with free music for your new video. Now, I said this was great fun. Now, it makes sense, really, because the more videos YouTube have, the more advertising they can show, so the more money they make. And that's how you get paid. Because the videos carry paid advertising from which you receive a nice slice of what the advertisers have to pay, straight into your bank account every month like clockwork. And with the videos and the video editor both being free, that lovely commission is all yours to keep. And if you're thinking I'm some sort of Superman and you wouldn't be able to copy my success, check out the testimonials from hundreds of our members just like you who had zero experience and no technical knowledge but is now making thousands of dollars each month with YouTube. Now, I've been very careful to pace this program, so it's perfect for beginners as well as more experienced folks. So whether you're a total YouTube rookie and want to zoom straight to YouTube Gold from the get-go, or maybe you're an experienced operator wanting to take your results to the next level, then you can quickly discover for yourself how much profitable fun this is. So what are you waiting for? Start your trial today and have instant access to all of my secret step-by-step video tutorials to guarantee your success. You'll also have unlimited private one-on-one consultations with me. Yep, that's right. I will personally hold you by the hand and make sure you make money with my system. Now, because I teach and mentor everyone that joins, spots are limited. So don't wait. Join now and start making massive cash with YouTube today.
Today I'm going to share with you guys how I made over $1,000 on YouTube without monetizing my videos or using any advertisements of any kind. So if you're interested in videos like these, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let's get started. So to give you some background on how I accomplished this, my friends and I, we made YouTube videos since middle school. We started with some dumb comedy skits and then we moved on to some parkour and free running videos as we got into high school, and we really enjoyed making those. It was fun to learn how to do new flips and to post some things we thought were some great successes on YouTube. But naturally what comes with making parkour videos and learning how to do those kinds of things is a ton of fail videos. We had more than our fair share of fails, but we always had a camera running, and because of that we got a lot of funny things on video that we also posted to YouTube, and some of those videos have a lot more views than some of our cool compilations of what we consider to be successes in parkour and free running. So we never got a ton of views. I mean, we were never very popular. I think my parkour channel got like 175 subscribers at most. So I never really expected to make money off of the monetization because we weren't getting a whole lot of views. But what was really interesting is with our fail videos that were maybe a little more popular than our other videos, there were people that reached out to us from several different companies offering to license our videos or to actually buy the rights to use our videos in some of the fail compilations that they would create. Many of you have probably heard of Fail Army on YouTube. They've bought a couple of my videos. Not only that, we got, I think, National Geographic. I mean, it wasn't like, you know, you think of National Geographic like seeing some beautiful things around the world or animals, things like that, but they have different segments or different things that they do that fall under the same company or name, National Geographic. I think this segment that they bought a video of mine for was called The Science of Stupid. At least that's what they told me when they were buying it. They may have revised the name, but I didn't care. I was making money off of videos that I was doing for fun anyway, so I don't know how much they pay per clip or, you know, what people's, or what they're doing to make deals with people today, but I was getting like $100 to $150 for every clip that they bought or wanted to use. And so National Geographic, Fail Army, even MTV's show Ridiculousness reached out to me and my friends for a funny fail video that we made and posted to YouTube. So that was cool. That was kind of our claim to fame. So anyway, posting those fail videos actually got some good attention from some of these bigger companies that were willing to pay us a couple $100 for our videos, and so that was pretty cool. I didn't think I'd be able to make money doing a hobby or making videos on YouTube in kind of an unorthodox way, but it doesn't just have to be fail videos with parkour. I actually just got contacted recently about a video that I posted on my original channel that had kind of the dumb skits and just the miscellaneous videos I made with friends. So whatever it is that you love to do, just make sure you always have a camera rolling. You never know what you're going to catch on film, and it's fun to be able to look back on the experiences that you've had with your family and friends as you've made those videos. And I think one of the keys to our success, the little success that we've had, is just that we loved making videos and we uploaded them to YouTube regularly. And I think if you love what you're doing and you want to keep producing content, that's going to present opportunities to you that you'd be surprised to have. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and we'll catch you next time.
How do I make money on YouTube without videos? How do I make money on YouTube without videos? Alright, so look, today's question comes about in something that I found very, very interesting. But then I had to really sit and think about it and really kind of dive into the mindset behind it, which is what really made me kind of understand the question. Because at initial glance, it seems like an absurd question when actually it's not. Here's the thing. How do you make money on YouTube without videos? First and foremost, we all understand that YouTube is a platform from which you can make money using videos, right? So this question kind of comes out of left field, which is why I was a little bit thrown off when I first saw it. And I was like, hang on a second, why would you even ask that question? It doesn't make any sense. It's like trying to say, how do I make money on Facebook without having a profile? But here's the thing, you actually can make money on YouTube without videos. How do you go about doing it? You go about doing it through advertising, through paid ads, through YouTube's platform, right? So what that actually means is that you can actually create advertising through YouTube to sell whatever product it is that you choose to sell. Now, is that necessarily the best way to do it? It really depends up to you. It depends on you and where you're actually at in terms of your product creation journey. Here's the thing. If you have a full product layout, if you know exactly what it is you're doing, you know how your sales funnel converts, you know exactly the percentages, the return on investment, and so on and so forth, then yes, YouTube could actually be an amazing place where you could actually advertise. You know, you can put up those advertisements that kind of pop up during these videos. You might even see one in this video, or you'll actually see ads on the side of this video if you're watching it on your desktop, or there may have actually been an ad before this video even started, okay? Those are all AdSense, right? Those are all ways that YouTube, i.e. Google, makes money from your videos, right? Or my video in this particular case. So here's the thing. How do you go about doing that? You learn how to do paid advertisements through YouTube. That way you can advertise your actual product. It is literally the only way you can make money on YouTube without actually making money. Now, there are people out there and they spam their links all across video descriptions, all over the place, you know, where you actually have a chance below to actually submit a comment. And what these spammers actually do is, instead of actually commenting, you know, they might say something ridiculous or redundant like, oh, nice video. By the way, I found this system to be very helpful. And what they're actually doing is they haven't watched your video. They don't really care about you or anything like that. There are people who actually do that, right? i.e. spamming. And all that's going to do is get your account blocked and banned, okay? You're not going to be allowed to do that for very long because YouTube and Google are the most advanced online systems that we have in the world. And the only way that you're actually going to play is you have to pay, right? You either pay the price by making videos or you pay the price and actually advertise on their platform. They're not going to allow you to spam for very long and be successful at it. Not to mention, the odds of actually making a sale from spamming a comment below a video are absolutely ridiculous. It's not even worth it. Okay, so what's the best way to actually make money from YouTube without videos? paid advertising without a doubt. But I'm going to urge you, I'm going to encourage you, I want to tell you can actually do it. The only reason you have this question is because you doubt that you can actually put out valuable videos. When I know for a fact that you can. I know for a fact that you can put out videos that are going to provide value to people. You have a voice, you have knowledge, you have experience, and that's why you're here looking, learning, researching, okay? If you don't know how to do that, man, inbox me, right? Go ahead, go to my channel and send me a message and we can chat it out, can give you some ideas on what you can actually do with your channel, your knowledge, your expertise, and how you can actually monetize that so you can start utilizing YouTube, which in my opinion is the best platform in the world, right? To actually start making money so that you can really start dominating, you can really start making a difference in your income, right? And make a difference in your life so that you have the courage to create even more videos, create even more kick-ass content that people are actually going to connect with. All right, so how do you make money on YouTube without videos? Paid advertising. That's the actual answer to the question. But I'm going to encourage you, you can do it. You can make valuable content. You have experience and you have knowledge that people are willing to pay for. People are willing to follow for. And if that's the case, then you absolutely need to get a channel. You absolutely need to do videos. If you need some guidance, I'm your man. I can help you out. If you're new to this channel, I want to thank you for watching this.
One of the most interesting of the many interesting stories of our civilization